DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, welcome to DPS TeleClass. I am WAFDHA, a TP teacher, and today I am here to take a thematic lesson for grade 6 students. Students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well today. Alhamdulillah, I am doing fine. Today I am going to talk about cleanliness, in which I'll be focusing on foot and tooth care. Before moving on to the lesson, let's read the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
So, oral health and foot care. Before looking into the lesson, let's talk about our learning target of the lesson. That is, by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to make informed decisions for healthy living relating to personal hygiene and active living. You'll be successful if you are able to appreciate and understand the importance of oral health and foot care for a healthy living by completing the task given. The key competency of their topic is living a healthy life. In general, good personal hygiene is essential to promoting good health. Good personal hygiene habits helps to keep bacteria, viruses, and illnesses at bay, and there are mental as well as physical benefits. Our health-related practices determine the well-being of our body, both from the inside as well as outside. Therefore, practicing good body hygiene helps you feel good about yourself, which is important for your mental health. But people who have poor hygiene, like disheveled hair and clothes, body odor, bad breath, missing teeth, are often seen as unhealthy and may face some sort of discrimination in their life. Among them, dental health and foot care are an important part of maintaining personal hygiene. Therefore, proper care should be taken to maintain oral health and foot cleanliness through personal hygiene practices and healthy diet. So, students, tell me, why do we need to take care of our oral health? Is it important? Yes, because poor oral health can impact your quality of life by affecting your mental, physical, and social well being. Missing teeth, oral infections, and oral pain also can influence how you eat, socialize, and speak. No matter what age you are, the reasons for tooth decay are the same. Tooth decay occurs when you have plaque with bacteria that feeds on the sugar you are adding to your diet, which can cause cavities. Eating foods that are bad for your teeth can contribute to plaque and tooth decay. There are certain foods that can contribute to oral issues that can affect your well being. And here are some of the worst foods for your teeth. That includes sugary sweets and candies, soft drinks, pickles, citrus fruits, crackers, sports beverages, sugar, dried fruits, apple cider vinegar, and pasta sauce. So, students, we should make sure we avoid these foods in our daily diet, isn't it? Um, Now tell me, how can oral health be maintained effectively? Yes, one thing we can do is brush our teeth twice a day at least. And also, we can visit a dentist every 6 months. And never use toothpicks as they can damage the gums. Never smoke or use smokeless tobacco, and use floss at least once a day. Drink fluoridated water, and also limit your consumption of acidic drinks like soda and citrus juice. And also, we can rinse our mouth with an antimicrobial mouth rinse that contains fluoride. Now, let's learn something about foot care. Students, do you think it is important to take good care of your foot? Okay. Do you know that feet are an important and often ignored part of the body's health system? Feet are your body's foundation, so keeping them healthy is vital to your overall health. Having healthy feet during childhood can help prevent medical problems later in life, namely in the back and legs. In Chinese medicine, the condition of the feet is crucial to overall health and is considered a separate body related to all body parts and organs. So, a healthy body starts with a healthy feet. It's very important to examine our foot for possible fungal and bacterial conditions. As you can see in the picture, there are various types of fungal and bacterial infections that can damage your feet. Here we will talk about few types of infections that people face commonly. Let's see about wart and corns. A wart is a small growth that appears on a person's hand or feet and looks like a solid blister or a small cauliflower. The HPV virus responsible for causing warts usually enters the human body through a bruise, cut, or damaged skin. However, corns are smaller than calluses and have a hard center surrounded by inflamed skin. Pressure and friction from repetitive actions cause corns and calluses to develop and grow. Both are quite common, but please know that what can occur anywhere on the foot. However, corn usually occurs wherever there is a pressure point. Students, how to like a pedicure session? It is one of the most effective ways that can use to take care of your feet, and this can be used in your home as well. For this, you have to get a bucket of warm water and you can soak your feet in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, gently scrub toenails with a brush and massage your feet with a good moisturizer. After that, trim calluses and corns with a scrub. For cleaning purpose, you can use non-acetone polish remover and trim or cut your toenails with a nail cutter. And finally, you can inspect toenails for issues and treat if needed. There you go. Let's talk about some ways to maintain a healthy feet. Do you know actually a very large collection of sweat glands live in your feet. Therefore, feet should be washed every day with soap and dry them very carefully, especially between the toes. This is important to avoid any kind of fungal or bacterial infections. And inspect your feet regularly and hydrate the skin with a good moisturizer. Cut nails carefully and regularly. Moisturize your feet at night. And also, it is important to get a shoe that fit both the length and width of your feet. And also, sweat gets into your shoes and then bacteria arrive which loves the moist leather or fabric. So, if you have one pair of shoes for school, then try to get them off as soon as you get home so that they can air and dry out overnight. It is important to do regular exercises and keep the blood sugar under control. And also, you have to avoid walking barefoot to help protect your feet from injury and infection. So I am going to hand over Iqbal sir to check how much you have understood from my lesson. Are you ready, students?
Thank you, WAFDHA Miss. Firstly, I would like to give you some of the tips and tricks that you can use to maintain a good oral health. So I am going to share 6 tips. This is already what WAFDHA Miss taught before. The first one is brush twice a day. So you know the meaning of twice, right? So that means you have to brush your teeth 2 times a day, more than 2 times. The best protection against tooth decay and gum disease. So that means if you brush your teeth twice a day, it helps you to keep or protect you from tooth decay and gum disease. And the second one is clean between your teeth. Remember, brushing does not remove the plaque in between your teeth. So you have to use flush or interdental brushes. So this is very important point. So you have to clean between your teeth. And the third one is limit your snacks. Each time you eat foods containing sugar, you feed the bacteria in your mouth that cause tooth decay. So as WAFDHA Miss mentioned before, while you are eating, always choose healthy foods, not the food that contains a lot of sugar, right? So if you are taking a lot of sugary foods, it helps or it causes tooth decay. So that's why we have to limit the snacks that we take. Instead of taking snacks like containing sugary things, we can go and have fruits and vegetables or the foods that give us healthy, right? And the fourth one is you have to visit the dentist. So regular checkups do more than just check for tooth decay. They also check for oral cancer and gum disease. The fifth tips, spit, don't rinse. Spit out excess toothpaste after brushing, but don't rinse out your mouth. This pushes away the fluoride that helps to protect your teeth. And the last tip, drink water. Drinking fluoridated tap water after meals helps flush out leftover food particles from the mouth and strengthen your teeth. So this is already the things that you have practicing in your daily life, right? So to keep, or if you want to keep your oral health good, these tips helps you a lot, right? So now I am going to ask you 4 multiplication questions. So this is what WAFDHA is already included in the previous slides. So to give each correct answer, you will get 30 seconds. So let's start. The first one. Good personal hygiene is essential to promoting good days. The 4 options are A. Health, B. Relationship, C. Friends, D. Study. So from these 4 options, you have to think and guess which is the most suitable answer. So your time starts now. So students, have you got the correct answer? So what will be the best option from these four? Is it good study? No. Yes, the correct option is A. Good personal hygiene is essential to promoting good health. Very good. And the second one, good personal hygiene gives us days and days benefits. So this time you have to check and find the answers for 2 days, right? A. Mental and oral. B. Physical and moral. C. Oral and physical. D. Mental and physical. So your time starts now. So students, what is the correct answer? Is it A, B, C or D? Yes, the correct option is D, mental and physical benefits. The third one, it's very important to examine our days for possible fungal and bacterial conditions. The four options are tooth, foot, skin, all above. So the 30-second start. So what is the correct answer, students? Yes, B, foot, right? It's very important to examine our food for possible fungal and bacterial conditions. And the last one, days are smaller than cellulose and have a hard center surrounded by inflamed skin. Options are A. Fungi, B. Bacteria, C. Cones, D. Virus. So, what is the correct answer, students? A, B, C, or D? Yes, the correct option is letter C. Cones are smaller than cellulose and have a hard center surrounded by inflamed skin. So, thank you, students. Now, again, I am going to hand over the next part to WAFDHA.
That's all about today. So, students, now let's do a task. I would like you to create a poster about importance of oral health and foot care. You can include following points in the poster. Some diseases caused by lack of oral hygiene and foot care. You can discuss about importance of oral health, including 5 ways to maintain oral health effectively. You can also talk about importance of foot care, including 5 ways to take proper care of the feet. You can use an A4 size paper and you can do it in your own creative way. You can refer to Health and PE textbook pages from 99 to 104 for more information, and also you can refer the slides as well. So I hope the task is clear. So this is the end of today's class. Please feel free to call me if you need any help or have any doubt. Please make sure to complete your homework, okay? I hope you have learned a lot about oral hygiene and foot care. Stay safe, stay home. See you soon. Thank you.
DPS TeleClass